Okay, we have our head here we're going to start to glue together. So we're going to start with just 2 pieces, and then we'll let that set up for about an hour, and then we can add another piece. If you try to do too many pieces at once, then they just slip and slide on you. You don't want to do that. So you just do 1 piece, let it set up, add another piece, and so on. Plastic card works really good as far for spreading out your glue, or you can use your hand, whichever you prefer. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. And we'll just put this together here, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your clamps and you're just going to make it kind of snug, because it's going to slide till you get a couple of clamps on there. You want to make sure you got it centered where you want it. So we'll do this, we'll set it aside, let it set up for a good hour, and then we will add another piece to it. But I always start with your center pieces, because you need to have 7 pieces. So start with your center and work your way out. Thanks for watching.